You need to empty your trash in these 7 hidden places on iPhone. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by opening up the Files app and you need to tap Browse until you see Recently Deleted on here. Open this up and if there's anything on here, go ahead and hit this little select option up at the very top. Select all of them and then hit delete and hit delete again. It's a good way to start doing that. You can also open up your photos, and once you're on your photos, go ahead and also go to Recently Deleted by selecting Collections. Scrolling down, you're going to see Recently Deleted on here. Open it up. Delete all of them to permanently remove those deleted photos. Then do the exact same thing on messages. So open that up and then you need to select the filter icon up at the very top. Select recently deleted and then go through all this stuff and delete it as well. From here, what you need to do is also go to mail and do the exact same thing. Go to your mailbox list, open up the trash, and then select it, and then you can go ahead and do that. I've actually never used this mail, so in my case, I would actually use Gmail for this. You could also open up your settings, and then you could go to General right here, select iPhone Storage, and once you're on iPhone Storage, what you're going to want to do is choose any app with a bunch of large attachments, like Snapchat, for example. Hit Offload App, and then reinstall it, and it's going to keep your data, but it's going to clear those extra cached files. On Safari, you want to do the exact same thing, except you need to scroll down to the bottom on Safari, select website data, and scroll all the way to the bottom again and select remove all website data, and then force restart your phone by pressing volume up, volume down, and pressing and holding on that side power button until the Apple logo appears. After that, your deleted files and hidden cache will be cleared. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.